Of all the tools and parts that Component Bar Products makes in O'Fallon, it's one thing they're sure to produce: excellence. If you need the machine part or tool, they can make it, and make it right.
So we are a high volume, high precision contract manufacturer. We do machine components, and we make these on Hydromat rotary transfer machine tool. The stuff that you use in your everyday life, parts that go into automobiles, industrial connectors. We also do some military ordnance work. So when we started the company back in 1989, we had 2 machines and just a small handful of customers. As we sit here today, we've got 59 Hydromats. We're going to ship about 30 million pieces this year to customers throughout the world. The Hydromat is a rotary transfer machine tool, and in essence what it does, it takes a 12-foot bar of metal, either brass, aluminum, or steel, and it turns it into a finished good, a machine part. So it goes in one end, raw material comes out, finished good, finished product. Yeah, we've got 82 people that are essentially experts at what they do, and they come here every day just dedicated, making sure they want to do the best that they can do for the business, for the customer, and making quality components.
CBP has developed a reputation for precision through methodical quality control.
We are a tool room that we support the manufacturing plant here at Component Bar. We manufacture most of all of our cutting tools, such as a drill bit, things like this. We make them from solid carbide all the way to the finished product. We make several different flavors of tools. Mostly the tool room supports the shop out in the plant, and we keep the Hydromats running with any kind of tooling issues that they would have. Anytime they have a dull drill, they come back in and they get a new drill. The engineers draw up a drawing for a tool, they bring it down to us, and then we manufacture that tool. So then once we manufacture the tool complete, we can hand it out onto the Hydromat, and we test the part out. And if it cuts to what we like, then at that time we go ahead and we make more tools. But if it doesn't, and we need to make an alteration or something, then at that time we can come back in and make some modifications and make it right.
Machines are bound to go down eventually, so CBP has the skilled techs to fix them in its own repair room to ensure self-sufficiency.
I kind of liken the process to rebuilding an old car. We take it down and get it all taken apart and clean all the pieces, repaint them and assemble them. And we do about 7 machines a year over here, some for ourselves, some for outside customers. We all take great pride in shipping quality components to all the customers. You know, everybody here understands exactly how they contribute to our overall success. Our attention to detail, making sure that every single part that leaves this building is exactly the way it should be and top quality.
We hold very tight tolerances. It gives us a sense of accomplishment whenever we see a tool go from beginning stages to the end and we see the end product going out the door. That makes us very satisfied.
I think there's a lot of places you can work and you leave at the end of the day, you're not really sure how what you did that day contributes to the success of the business. And in manufacturing, you can hold that finished product in your hand and say, I made this. And that's a feeling that you just don't get in a lot of places. We think manufacturing is a great industry to be in, and we're very happy to be doing it here in O'Fallon.